Welcome back to the new channel. We got a special video where I'm gonna work out here at Amplify Training. We're gonna hop in, work out with a former England national team member, Andy Sykes. He's gonna kind of work me through some of my flaws and what I can do to strengthen my personal body as well as improve my game a little bit. So hopefully he's got some good tips and tricks in there for me to just be a little more pain-free.
Those legs feeling?
Like this isn't a warm-up?
Workout.
Like this is the workout, not the warm-up?
We got tight hips at Packy, and what that does is it ends up transferring force up the back instead of the hips absorbing the force that comes through the legs. They're so tight that they're just basically a solid structure, and they're just emitting that force through the low back, and now we're getting pain there. So if we can unlock these hips and get that knee down, that hip up, it will have better transfer and therefore less pain. You go through the band. Yep. Now go right there, and then just sit there. So this is a good way that you can get that stretch and relax, because you know, stretching doesn't really happen unless you're able to be relaxed.
What's a way that I can do this like at home or in like a hotel room?
I mean, if you can take a band,
I usually bring a band with me. Maybe a little thicker one than this.
That's okay.
But they all work.
Yeah.
And then how would I do that? Just like strap it around the back side of a door?
Anything that won't move, yeah, door handle. Got enough bowling bags.
Would this be better for him to do before a block or after a block?
Or just all the time?
Yeah, I would say just this is a regular thing right now because of the issues we're facing.
Not great. I mean, this is really hard. You know, I don't expect a lot of people to get a personal trainer once a week. I can do these exercises either at home, on the road, or visit like the YMCA that I'm already a member of.
Yeah, and that's what the goal of Amplify is, to be able to give you the access to the equipment, our app, giving you the video demonstration, the exercises that you can follow. And yeah, I mean, we've had a lot of success. We've been in many countries, especially in the bowling world. You know, we've been all over the place.
Yeah, when you guys launched that app, I downloaded it right away, just knowing that like, hey, I'm going to be on the road 90% of the first, 4 months of the season. So I just want some generalized plan that I could follow and say, hey, at least I know that this is going to help me out.
Working on your fist pump for your next victory?
Yeah! I can't take anything seriously.
That's good focus. 2 more. I want you to squeeze this between your knees. Good.
This already is weak.
You feel it?
Yes.
All right, what I want you to do from
My legs
this,
are shaky.
hold your knees together on this foam pad, and you can do anything. A ball, like a soccer ball or a volleyball. Bowling ball would be too heavy. Now I want you to get your ankles as far away from each other as possible. Okay, give me 8 of those. Good, and your left is moving a little more than your right. Good. Get them out.
Look at this pad.
Shaking.
And this is why we're here. This is why we're working out.
2.
3. You said learn to love the cramp.
What's a common fitness misconception that you see big time amongst bowlers?
That they don't need it. Every human needs activity, or you'll have dysfunction, you'll have pain. And if you, like Packy said earlier, you got a bowling ball on one side of your body for 8 hours a day, you're gonna have asymmetries, and it's gonna create strength biases, and it's gonna create injuries. So if you don't address those, you're looking at a short career or injury. So yeah, so you progress and you have 6 months of good bowling and you get better, but then you get injured and then you're 6 months you can't bowl, or 6 weeks, or whatever that injury is. Well, you think you're going to be as good as someone that was progressing maybe a little more slowly than you. It's a long game. Bowling's, you know, the best pros out there are in their 40s, 50s. They're not 20 years old, so take your time, do it right.
Bang.
Take care of your body so your body can take care of you.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, and especially like you said, I mean, just adding on to that, bowling is like, it's not like we make millions and we can hit a couple good tournaments and be set for the rest of our lives. Like, you want to bowl for as long as possible, one, because you love it, and two, because if you're trying to make money doing it, you got to stretch out as long as you can making money throwing a bowling ball down the lane. Because we don't have the luxury like golfers do of you hit a couple big tournaments and
You made $1 million.
you made $1 million. Yeah, you could finish third 3 weeks in a row and be, you know, 2 million in.
We got another shirt for the wall. Around. Doubles PBA champs.
Double champs. Thank you guys for sticking along for this video where I kind of took you a little behind the scenes on the new channel of what a workout looks like for me. I'm going to be doing these probably every other week or I'm going to try and do these every week with Andy here, who, you know, has bowled on a world top elite level, much like many of us. So he knows a lot about how the body works, especially relating to the bowling game. So you guys can check out amplifymytraining.com. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is just me saying, hey, Andy knows what he's talking about and I'm gonna be using him. So if you guys wanna do that too, you can use him as well.
Absolutely, yep. Amplifymytraining.com.
And there's so on amplifytraining.com, there's basically just these kinds of workouts online for you guys at a pretty affordable rate. Thanks for watching.